So what is Berlow's model of communication? Berlow's SMCR model of communication, developed by David Berlow in 1960, is a linear model that simplifies the communication process into four key components. So here are the four key components. Number 1, sender. Number 2, message. And number 3, channel. And number 4 is receiver.
Teacher Wensi, can I talk to you for a moment?
Of course, Jane.
I'm having trouble with the math assignment. I don't understand the concept we discussed today.
Okay, let's take a look. What specifically are you struggling with?
I don't understand the basic principles, but the application question confused me. I don't know how to apply the formulas correctly.
I see. It seems you're having difficulty with the substitution part. So, let's break it down together. So, first, remember the formula. So, five.
Oh, I see. Now it makes sense.
That's great.
I think I understand. Thank